When you go out to search for the best health insurance options in the industry, Bajaj Allianz could have popped up on your search. And you might have thought to yourself, well, Bajaj is really a well-established brand. Why not consider their health insurance? Well, we'll answer that question in just a bit. Hi folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. And welcome to another honest insurance review. If you're new here, we break down complex insurance jargon into simple terms you can actually understand. So hit that subscribe button right now to stay updated on all things insurance. And if you're looking for expert insurance guidance for your health or term needs, then book a free call today with our IRDAI certified advisors to get personalized and free support. The link is in the description. Folks, in this video, we break down everything that you need to know about Bajaj Health Insurance as we discuss each plan in detail. So stick around till the end so you can make an informed decision if this is the right plan for you or not. Now, let's get into a quick intro about this insurer. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Limited stands as a prominent private sector insurance provider in India. Established as a joint venture between Bajaj Finserv Limited and Allianz SE, the company offers a wide range of insurance products including motor, health, travel, home, and commercial insurance. But soon, Allianz SE will be selling their stake to Bajaj and leaving the joint venture soon. Now, Bajaj Health Insurance operates in over 1,000 towns and cities across India, supported by a robust distribution network of approximately 50,000 agents and 9,000 motor dealer partners, and 130 bank partners. When comparing Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance with top players in the market, we can observe several key metrics. Bajaj Allianz maintains an impressive CSR of 95% average, which is higher than many competitors like Star Health at 83%, Care Health at 90%, and Niva Bupa at 91%. Bajaj Allianz also offers access to 12,000 plus network hospitals, which is substantial. Bajaj Allianz has only 3 complaints per 10,000 claims on an average. Significantly, this is lower than Star Health's 46, Care Health at 36, and Niva Bupa at 43. The company also maintains a healthy 81% average ICR, which is comparable to Star Health at 73%, HDFC Ergo at 86%. With 24 plus years of experience, this insurer has one of the longest track records in the industry, matched only by HDFC Ergo. With the intro and metrics out of the way, it's time that we get into the 6 plans that they offer. Starting off with the first plan, Health Guard Plan. This is their flagship plan, available in silver, gold, and platinum variants. Now, talking about the basic features, no default co-payment, though zonal co-pay applies if treatment is availed in a higher premium zone. This plan has room rent limits and they vary by the plan. Silver plan limits to 1% of sum insured per day, while gold and platinum plans offer single private AC rooms for sum insured of 3 to 7.5 lakh rupees and any room category for sum insured of 10 lakh rupees and above. Disease-wise sublimits also apply for cataract and bariatric surgeries. Pre and post hospitalization charges are covered for 60 days and 90 days respectively. Daycare procedures and Ayush treatments are covered up to sum insured. Free annual health checkups with varying limits based on the variant. Restoration benefit is applicable once during a policy year, only for different ailments and upon complete exhaustion of the base sum insured. Now, a quick look into special features. It has a cumulative bonus varying by plan. Silver and gold plans offer 10% per year up to 100%, while the platinum plan offers 50% for the first 2 years and 10% for the next 5 years up to 150%. The platinum variant includes a recharge benefit, increasing sum insured by 20% and maximum up to only 5 lakh rupees if claim amount exceeds policy coverage. Gold and platinum plans also offer maternity benefits after a long 72 months waiting period and newborn care as well. While the plan does provide a decent coverage structure, the premium pricing may not be the most competitive in the market. Wellness benefits include discounts on renewal premiums for maintaining good health. Coming to add-ons, it has air ambulance coverage, which is optional for sum insured of 5 lakh rupees and above, with coverage limits from 5 to 50 lakh rupees depending on sum insured chosen. Voluntary aggregate deductible is also available with the limit options of 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees. So what's the verdict here? This is a decent basic plan with good cumulative bonus in the platinum variant up to 150%, but there are room rent limits and disease-wise sublimits, because of which we don't recommend this plan at Ditto. Now, the second plan is the Health Infinity plan, which is rather a simple plan offering unlimited sum insured based on room rent. You heard it right, based on room rent. Now let's look at the basic features. Copay applies if a policyholder chooses a room above their plan limit. Room rent limits range from 3,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per day. There is no disease-wise sublimit. Pre and post hospitalization charges are covered for 60 and 90 days respectively. Daycare procedures covered up to sum insured. Ayush treatments though are not covered, and free health checkups are available at the end of every 3 policy years. There is no restoration benefit, no cumulative bonus, which makes it a less attractive one. And it's got a road ambulance coverage up to 5,000 rupees per hospitalization. Looking at certain special features, the plan offers unlimited sum insured based on chosen daily room rent limits, providing extensive coverage without maximum limits. So what is the verdict here? The plan lacks essential features, as you see, like the restoration benefit and cumulative bonus, and that is why this is not at all recommended. Next up is a super topper plan designed to provide additional coverage beyond an existing health policy, and they've called it Extra Care Plus policy. Looking at its basic features, it has no co-payment, no room rent limits, no disease-wise sublimits, pre and post covered for 60 and 90 days respectively. Daycare procedures and Ayush treatments are covered up to sum insured, but there is no free annual health checkups, no restoration benefit, no cumulative bonus, and it boasts of a shorter waiting period, that is 30 days initial waiting period, 12 months for specific conditions, and 12 months for PEDs. Some special features are the pre-existing diseases waiting period of it being only 12 months, which is shorter than most super topper plans that typically require 24 to 36 months. Maternity expenses are covered over and above the deductible threshold after a 12-month waiting period. So what is the verdict? Well, there isn't much to say about the super topper other than this being a decent option for someone who's seeking additional coverage beyond their base plan. Well, we've made an extensive video about the best super topper plans. I'll link it in the description below. Do check it out. Now folks, before we head to the next plan, let me tell you that Ditto is your insurance buddy. We just don't help you purchase a policy, but let's say if you want to compare two plans or if you want to understand how insurance works, we can do that for you. Well, we help you with health and term insurance advice, and all our services are free of cost to you. So how do you avail our services? Just head to the link in the description, book your free call, and choose the slot that you want, and our advisors will contact you, and you can have a free 30-minute call with them and decide if you want to get the policy or not. There is no pushy salesperson, there is no spam, and again, all our services are completely free. Now, back to the video. Next up is the My Healthcare plan, which is a modular policy offering extensive customization options. Taking a quick look at the basic policy features, this has no co-payment. This has a room rent limit based on sum insured. That is single private room for sum insured of 3 to 10 lakh rupees and any room for sum insured about 10 lakh rupees. Now, disease-wise sublimits apply on cataract for lower sum insured options, that is below 10 lakh rupees. They have a standard pre and post hospitalization charges covered for up to 60 and 90 days respectively. Daycare procedures, Ayush treatments, and domiciliary expenses are also covered up until sum insured. Free annual health checkups available once every policy year. Restoration benefit varies, that is once for sum insured less than 5 lakh rupees, unlimited for sum insured of 5 lakh rupees and above. The cumulative bonus structure is somewhat like this: 25% per annum up to 100% for sum insured of 3 to 4 lakh rupees, 50% per annum up to 100% for sum insured of 5 lakh rupees and above. Now, let's take a quick look at special features. This has built-in consumables coverage. There is also maternity coverage with a 3-year waiting period, reducible by 1 year if premium is paid for 3 years altogether, with coverage ranging from 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees based on the sum insured. It also has a newborn baby cover ranging from 1 lakh to 15 lakh rupees based on sum insured. There's also OPD coverage including teleconsultations, in-clinic consultations, and doctor-prescribed tests. There is also home nursing cover for up to 10 weeks upon doctor's prescription. There's also coverage for prescribed external medical aids like braces, canes, and wheelchairs. There's also a renewal premium waiver benefit if the proposer dies during the policy period due to accidental injury or illness. This plan has some interesting add-ons. One is a loss of income cover, providing weekly payments for hospitalizations lasting at least 72 consecutive hours. It also has major illness and accident multiplier that doubles the sum insured for specified critical illnesses or injuries. There is also international cover for emergency care only, covering expenses incurred outside India with a mandatory 10% co-payment. So, after all this, what is the verdict? This is one of Bajaj's better offering with unlimited restoration for higher sum insured options and strong cumulative bonus. Additional benefits like OPD cover and built-in consumables make it worth considering. Now, the next plan is the Healthcare Supreme, which is a comprehensive health insurance policy with 3 variants: Vital, Smart, and Ultimo. A quick look at the basic features. It has no co-payment, no room rent limits, no disease-wise sublimits, standard pre- and post-hospitalization charges covered for up to 60 and 90 days respectively, daycare procedures and Ayush treatments covered up to sum insured, free annual health checkups are available, and the restoration benefit of 100% is available only once a year upon complete exhaustion of base cover and only for different illnesses. There's also cumulative bonus of 10% per year up to a maximum of 50% upon no claims. The waiting period is standard: 30 days initial, 12 to 24 months for specified conditions, and 24 months for PEDs. Now, some special features include maternity cover including newborn coverage ranging from 25,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees depending on the variant, and some insured chosen. It also has OPD cover ranging from 2,500 to 25,000 rupees, including specialist consultation, prescribed investigations, medicines, dental procedures, and psychiatric consultations. Physiotherapy on OPD basis is also covered, with coverage ranging from 5,000 to 50,000 rupees. There is also a recovery benefit providing a one-time lump sum payment if hospitalized for more than 7 consecutive days. This is a comprehensive plan with good OPD and maternity coverage, but the restoration and cumulative bonus benefits are limited. So what do we think about this plan? This is a comprehensive plan with good OPD and maternity coverage, but the restoration and cumulative bonus benefits are sort of limited. Somewhat competitive, but falls short compared to top plans from other insurers. Finally, the last plan is Bajaj Allianz Silver Health, which is designed for individual aged 46 and above, with some insured options ranging from 50,000 rupees to 10 lakh rupees. Now, the basic features include 10% co-payment on each admissible claim. The room rent is limited to a single private AC room. Disease-wise sublimits are also applicable on cataracts and domiciliary treatments. Pre and post hospitalization charges are covered for 30 and 60 days respectively, which is quite less. Daycare procedures and Ayush treatments covered up to sum insured. Domiciliary expenses covered up to 10% of sum insured. Now, there is free annual health checkups available only once every 2 years. There is no restoration benefit and cumulative bonus of 10% per year up to a maximum of 100% upon no claims. The waiting period is 30 days for initial, 12 to 24 months for specified conditions, and only 12 months for PEDs. Needless to say, its standout feature is a lower waiting period of just 12 months for PEDs compared to industry standard of 24 to 36 months. It's got a room rent modifier add-on that changes the room rent restriction from single private room to 1% of sum insured, maximum up to 7,500 rupees per day. So finally folks, what is the verdict on Bajaj Health Insurance as a whole? Now, Bajaj Allianz demonstrates strong performance metrics, including a high CSR and significant business volumes, along with impressively low complaint rates. However, upon reviewing their insurance plans, it becomes quite evident that new Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance plan options lack truly comprehensive coverage compared to competitors. Among the available plans, only the Healthcare Supreme is somewhat competitive with offerings like Care Supreme and Active One Max. However, even this plan falls short in terms of providing comprehensive bonus and restoration benefits. Additionally, their premiums tend to be relatively high considering the limited features provided. So, before making a decision on Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance, review findings, speak with our experts at Ditto. Our insurance advisors can help you navigate the complex world of health insurance and find the right plan that suits your specific needs and budget. Book your free consultation today with the link in the description and make an informed decision about Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance or other available options in the market. So that's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, then please drop a like and subscribe to Ditto Insurance if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.